YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Bring to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Want to talk to you guys a little bit about some Toshi Coin, but before we dive into that, let's dive over here on CoinMarketCap and talk about the state of the market because you guys can see, very important to talk about. Total market cap coming in at $3.5 trillion. Our fear greed index ticking back to a 53. We were just at a 55 yesterday. We were at like a 66 like 3 days ago. And the market cap for all the altcoins and stuff like that, let's check out what that's looking like. Hopefully maybe making some kind of recovery here. Does look like we're ticking up just a little bit. Hopefully we are. We did talk about the fact that Bitcoin, when it was had to hold that key support of 100K, right? I was telling you guys 100K is going to be a key support for Bitcoin, which I feel like is good. It's a psychological barrier, hopefully. But we did see a big price pump with Bitcoin right now. It does look like, I don't know, maybe that's why the greed index went down a little bit. I don't know. What do you guys think? It was looking bullish for a second there. We were seeing a lot of stuff pump, including Toshi Coin, right? We've been watching Toshi Coin. Toshi Coin now sitting on some key support, just like Bitcoin, coming back to some key support. But guys, in my opinion, this could be bullish. I think Bitcoin's gonna probably see some pump, or it might see some dump. It might see some dump. Some people were saying that this might be the top. We might have topped here, and we might see retracement. But guys, if you look at the all-time, it looks like nice cup and handle, right? And then we create this bull flag, small pullback, big explosion. Again, same thing, another bull flag, and an explosion, and then look, another bull flag. If we do decide that we wanted to reject off this range, which again, I'm not saying we will, I think that it's just a little bit of consolidation. It's totally normal for the beginning of the week, especially. So I think going into later this week, oh man, look at this. Bitcoin looking like it's about to turn up on the 1 year. Bitcoin looks like it's about to turn up, boy. Yeah, Bitcoin is looking solid on the 1 year. This is looking solid. This is just looking like a little bit of price manipulation. Let's check out Toshi Coin. Look at this thing. Okay, so what I brought up the bull sides and the bear sides of what we're looking at on Toshi, okay, guys? Because I'm a realist, okay? But again, I'm accumulating. I just will tell you that I am definitely still buying Toshi for sure, for sure. I think this coin has some serious upside. But if you see, we got a clear blow off top here. We created that nasty McDonald's M, right? I always tell you guys that McDonald's M means I'm not loving it, right? We saw this thing drop down, reject off this upper Keltner channel, and then it was just like a rejection after rejection. Possible double bottom here, got up to this line of resistance. We rejected off of that, and now we have two things that could happen here, and this is why this chart is just stuck over whether they want to go with the bullish case scenario or if they want to go with the bearish case scenario. So the bearish case scenario, why we saw some people a big wall of sell-off, and why now we're seeing people buying back in, is because some people are thinking maybe this pattern's gonna create one of these bad boys, right? I pulled it up because I talk about it, but sometimes people don't even know what I'm talking about. So this is a pattern that I talk about, right? This is shoulder, head, shoulder. It's an indicator that once we break this neckline, what you call a neckline, it will probably see a sell-off usually. But there's also an inverse head and shoulders, which is exactly the opposite of that, right? It's also similar to what Toshi just created just now when it dropped down like this and then had this double retouch right here. This is actually an inverse head and shoulders. See? That's the shoulder, this the head, this the other shoulder. And this could be a bullish pattern if Toshi Coin again wants to break up out of some of this resistance. We are still creating higher lows on this coin, so this could be a possible bottom on Toshi, or again, it could create that other shoulder, have another rejection of this upper Keltner channel, and then possibly see some sell-off. But either way, maybe, I mean, if I was looking to buy this today, and this is not financial advice, this is just what I'm saying, what I would personally do, and metaphorically, um, was like if I was to put money into this today, I would put probably half in now and then half in if we do decide that we want to drop a little bit more down, consolidate a little bit more of Bitcoin. But I think that this coin will still do well. A lot of people have been asking me, have been blowing me up, guys. Every time this thing moves about 3%, people are asking me about it. But again, I'm still looking at these charts again, looking for that inverse head and shoulders that could be still playing out. But also just paying attention to the risks, right? I understood all my risks when I got into it, and I use these TAs to help you guys understand kind of what's going on in the trade too. So again, if you appreciate that, let me know by hitting the subscribe button, guys. I am on a mission to hit 100K subscribers. So do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. We've been growing really fast, guys. We're growing at like 500 subscribers a day. Also, I created a free Telegram for you guys to be able to benefit from and trade in and learn things in. It's free. It's a free resource for you guys because I want to see you win. So all you got to do is I'll leave a link to that on my Twitter. Just follow me on Twitter, and the link is right there and pinned in the top already. And then also, if you guys want to join me over on Patreon too, you can join me on Patreon. You can get access to my private Telegram where you could kick it with me. I'll be in there all the time, every day. A lot of people making some big gains. And again, not a place for financial advice, but it's a place where you can come ask questions. You can put your contracts into both of those Telegrams actually, and it'll pull up all the facts on your coins, guys. It'll give you all the facts. It'll tell you how many snipers are in it, tell you how many fresh wallets, tell you all the facts about the devs and everything like that. So I put that bot in there, guys, because again, I want to see you guys win. I don't want to see you guys getting scammed out here. There's a lot of rugs out here. We expose the rugs and we expose the scammers, guys. We've done it plenty of times. For years we've done it, guys. And we will continue to do it, guys. I told you guys, especially once these celebrities, this is what I told you guys, towards the top, guys, there's going to be a lot of celebrities that are going to be shilling projects, getting you to get into stuff and stuff like that. And just don't buy those stuff, guys, because it's just not going to, it's not going to list on Coinbase like Toshi did. You know what I'm saying? The fact that Toshi's listed on Coinbase is a big deal. It is a big deal, especially for the fact that it's only at a 565 million market cap, in my opinion, because this thing has not yet got a Binance listing. It's not yet got a Kraken listing. You know, I'm not going to buy into the FUD. I'm just going to be like, okay, this thing still could possibly list. And I know that CZ, just like Coinbase, this is how we figured out that this was going to list on Coinbase. These big major platforms, guys, they look for volume. Toshi Coin has a history of having really good volume. So as you guys could see, this thing is still up a whole bunch. Even in the past 7 days, it's up 194%. It's been seeing really great volume. So I'm not too concerned. It has been volatile over the time. You could see we have these, look at this. We had this big run up and then it dropped all the way off. And a lot of people were thinking that this thing was dead. And that was just January 23rd. You know what I mean? We're on the 28th right now. So that's kind of crazy right there. Just the amount of growth that this has had, you know? So even down here, a lot of people sold off. They thought the project was dead. You know, we didn't have Coinbase, though. Now we have Coinbase. So I think that this is going to attract a lot of people. I just got to be patient on it. I'm willing to be patient on it. I'm willing to wait it out, guys, even if there is some kind of correction, even if Bitcoin does decide it wants to dip down, even though it's not necessarily showing that it wants to do that with this bull flag playing out. But it could, right? We could even shoulder, head, shoulder. We could ride this thing sideways. We do know that usually sometimes we see correction towards March, but I don't know. There's people talking about super cycle. Regulation's different now. I mean, this whole the whole landscape of cryptocurrency is totally changed now and is constantly changing. So it's hard to predict this cycle. We do go off of prior indicators and stuff. Been doing that for years. But I do think, again, that there is a chance that this bull flag plays out just based off of all of the bullish things that are going on with crypto. So again, I think that this price volatility is just early in the week volatility. Again, Toshi Coin's still up 9%. Could break down. It decides it wants to break down. And I would probably just think it was a great thing, honestly. I like when the market is red because I don't buy in at the top. So when it goes down, I just buy more. I don't know, and I don't know how far it's going to go down. Let's say it goes down like 30% again. I'll buy it again. I don't know. I feel like it's going to go up. So, again, those are just my opinions, but some people, they just want things like within like 5 seconds. Like literally people bought in up here and then like sold their position within like 2 or 3 hours. And that's crazy to me because I don't know. I'm just used to coins going up and down sometimes in my portfolio, especially if I'm trading into a coin this small. I'm not really tripping that much over this. So again, I like the price right now with this pattern, this inverse head and shoulders pattern that's playing out right here. I like this. That could be what we're seeing on Toshi. That could still be playing out. We're holding this support right here. We need to see a big bounce up, and we need to break out of this 1 hour. Some of these smaller time intervals showing that might be breaking down. Need to break above this. Need to close out this 30-minute candle solid. Need to close this 30-minute candle solid. Hopefully create some kind of cup and handle right here and continue this uptrend that Toshi Coin is on, because still creating higher lows right now, but at some key support. And again, I think that came with Bitcoin just doing what it just did right now as far as printing this sketchy candle right here on the 1 day. Oh, it's building a sketchier candle. We'll see, guys. We'll see. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that Bitcoin needs to dip more? Do you think it's going to drop the market? Do you think that Toshi Coin will be resilient and pump regardless? Will we hold the support? It does look like on the 15-minute like we're retesting some key zones right now. We definitely want to break out of this zone, guys. We need to break out of this zone. Let's see if we can get this video to 200 likes, guys. Push us out there in the algorithm. You can see Toshi Coin now up 10% time of the video. It's going up a little bit, guys, but again, we got to get these likes up on the video. It gets more exposure to Toshi Coin. We've been covering it every single day, guys. We're going to continue to cover it. Also, again, we're on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers, guys. Can't do it without you. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. I'm going to keep making you guys videos, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.